So my name is Olivia Mascaro, and today I'm cutting off all my hair and donating it to a wonderful organization called Children with Hair Loss. It's a nonprofit organization that provides free hair treatment for kids suffering from alopecia, burns, cancer treatments, and so on. We raised over $1,000 so far, so we have officially raised enough money to fund one hair replacement for a child. It costs about $1,000, and all of CWHL's services are free for children up until they're 21. We hope to bring a little bit more awareness to this organization. It's a fantastic organization. They've changed the lives of thousands of kids, and hopefully my hair will be able to change another kid's life too. We actually started this with a goal of $250. I wasn't sure if it would take off. I just graduated from college, so I'm pretty familiar with the broke college kid life, and I didn't think we would actually raise this much money. And we raised $250 in one weekend, so we bumped the goal up, and then once we passed 500, I said, let's just do $1,000. I never thought it would become this big. I was happy to just have 250, but the community here, my communities back home in Syracuse, and all over, we've got people donating from out of state. It's been much more successful than I thought it could be, so we're really excited about it. I've actually had my hair cut before. This will be my second hair donation. My freshman year of college, I cut off 10 inches of hair and donated it, so I'm not super worried about it. I'm worried about being cold in Potsdam because my hair usually keeps me pretty warm, but I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm excited to spend less money on shampoo. They can still absolutely donate to the GoFundMe page. It's all over Facebook, and it's also all over the Clarkson School page. They've helped a ton with this. They can still donate, of course, and the way that the GoFundMe works, they donate the money directly from that into Children with Hair Loss because they're a certified nonprofit. They donate it right to the PayPal. After this, next weekend at the Clarkson hockey games, we're going to be selling raffle tickets and auctioning off a Clarkson men's hockey jersey. Clarkson hockey's done really well, so we're hoping to get quite a few raffle tickets sold. People can go buy the tickets in Shield during the hockey games, and then after the second period on Saturday, we're going to be announcing the winner. They can also come. I work in the admissions office here at Clarkson. They can come pick up raffle tickets in my office too, if they'd like.